Seen them.
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
Look at what I saw.
Ooh, I can
Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Oh, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now think of something.
That's jellyfish.
You're good.
Oh,
It's echoey in here.
oh. Dory, do something.
Hey, snap the jaws. Can't catch me.
Watch out.
Look, I'm scared now.
Why did you drop by for a little bite? Oh, what a beautiful little bite.
This is awesome! Grab shell, Nemo! It's the AC! I want to try!
Check out the mini Marlin. Woohoo!
Nemo, give me some fish! It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
I'm Dory.
It's a journey that never ends. What's waiting out there? There's much to know in the big blue world.
It's Nemo.
Ready to go.
Help! Find a happy place, find a happy place, find a happy place.